Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites quickly: HTTPS, a domain, and a basic app shell. Once those are in place, create a concise manifest. JSON that declares name, icons, start URL, and display. Then scaffold and index. HTML that loads your main JS and CSS. This becomes your offline shell. Make sure the server serves the manifest and icons with correct MIME types. Finally, open DevTools and check Application tab to verify the manifest and that the origin is secure. You now implement the service worker, register it from your main script, and write SW.js with install, activate, and fetch handlers. During install, pre-cache the app shell and critical assets using caches. Open and cache. Add all. Once done, handle activate to clean old caches and claim clients so updates apply. In Fetch, apply cache first for static assets to enable fast repeat loads. Use network first with fallback for dynamic API routes so users get fresh content when online. Test with you finish by testing installability and functionality across devices. Trigger add to home screen, inspect service worker states, and run Lighthouse for PWA score. Make sure icons and start URL behave as expected and that offline pages render the app shell. Deploy a versioned cache naming scheme to simplify updates, then monitor for uncaught fetch failures and CORS issues. If something breaks, clear the site data, unregister the service worker, and hard reload. This resets caches and reveals the root error quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.